Kling kling lingi. Eh. Oh. So this is original video. So guys, we're going to Silay City. Meet Kling Kling again after a long time.
The ruins in Talisay City, guys, is just 14 minutes away from Bacolod City proper. In front of you is the new government center of Bacolod City, which is one of the most visited place here. On the left is the Mega World Upper East, which is the newest and the most modern central business district of Bacolod.
Hi.
Continue on Bacolod Airport Access Road for 1.5 kilometers.
Forbes Hill, Mega World. Welcome to Mega World.
And as you can see, that is the landmark, Fountain Grove. Just turn left, then straight.
Straight. We're here. Entrance there.
Turn right,
Delay
then you will
9
arrive at your destination.
Yeah. So this is the parking area. Pero
In 150 meters, turn left.
I think pwede ko kasulod dito ang motor pa. Welcome to the ruins. Smile, Kling. Excited yarn. Welcome to the ruins in Bacolod City, guys. So this is the place. Time check, it's now 6 p.m. And this is the resort view. And this is the entrance here. It's nice. I will hold. Let's go.
These ruins, guys, is also called the Lacson Ruins because these are the remains of the ancestral mansion of Don Mariano, Ledesma Lacson, and Maria Braga Lacson, which is located in Talisay City, Negros Occidental. The mansion was built in early 1900s and inspired by Italian architecture. Now let's go and look around and see what we can find here inside the ruins. The best thing about this place is that this is a perfect venue for events, occasions. There are a lot of guests here having prenuptial and their wedding, and a lot of celebration which are being held here. As time passes by, this is now one of the most visited places by the tourists here in Talisay City. About food, here you can get to experience a Spanish-Italian-Ilonggo style of cuisine, which make them unique from any other restaurants around. So if you want to experience Europe here in the Philippines, this is a perfect place for you to have a pictorial with. Another thing is they also have cafes around here that serves coffee and also some pizzas for your snacks, and a perfect combination with their original sugarcane juice, in which it is directly prepared fresh from the machine.
Really? Wow.
Strawless na siya galing.
Strawless. Okay. Well, let me try. Oo. Pangos, pamor. Sige, go, go. Pangos si Kokling. Pangos si Kokling. Okay. Sige na, pangos na. Sampol, sampol, pangos. Samol. Okay kayo. Mayo kayo. Na. Oh, kuan ba yan eh? Majorate ni sa una. Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Manan lang nato ni Frank Punutan.
Oh. Kasi pangalan. Vince? Single? Ala lang. I-post ra ba ni nako? Gadua-dua sa tubag dyan.
Saya raman. Akan palit og bago wala na.
Thank you.
Sige.
Okay.
Over here, they have some cultivated plants, and I think this is for sale also. But when we came here, it's already nighttime, and it seems that it's closed.
Got a feeling down deep in my soul that just in case, 'cause I'm all
Honestly, nabitin ko guys.
This statue, I'm not sure who she is, but it looks like the same as the portrait of Maria Braga Lacson. So this could probably her if I'm not mistaken.
Kling, lingi. Oh, nice. Sugarcane from the Philippines. Shot, shot. Okay ba yan siya? Dili. Hi, Lone. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome to my Louder, louder.
Guys, shot guys.
Shot, shot, shot. Shot, 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 shot. So if there is an event, this is, I think, the space.
So this is all the video for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I love you. Be well. God bless. Bye-bye. Mwah.
You come again. I wish you have more something to show from here so we will come again. Nabitin ko, guys.